Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing the Only Way optimizer and confirming the game is on the latest patch. This ensures compatibility and prevents crashes. Once done, make a backup of your save and configuration files so you can revert if an optimization misfires. Next, assemble 1 to 3 high-tier heroes and their equipment as test subjects because you need reliable samples to measure gains. These actions set a safe, repeatable baseline before you begin applying optimizer suggestions. You now configure the optimizer's parameters to match your goal. Choose DPS if you want higher output, survivability for tank builds, or balanced for overall performance. Then make sure to adjust hard caps like level limits, gear score thresholds, and percent modifiers so recommendations remain realistic. Once configured, run a short simulation of 3 to 5 fights to capture accurate metrics. The optimizer uses those logs to rank changes. After simulations, review suggested changes and note which are low risk versus high impact. You should apply recommended changes incrementally, 1 or 2 tweaks at most, and then test them in 1 to 3 real battles to confirm the effect. This prevents cascading failures. Once a tweak proves beneficial, lock or document it so you can reproduce the setup later. If you encounter instability, freezes, or odd stats, restore your backup immediately and verify mod and game version compatibility. Mismatches are the most common problem. Finally, clear caches and rerun simulations after fixes to validate the recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.